Is your air conditioner struggling to keep your home cool? A damaged evaporator coil can reduce cooling performance, increase energy bills, and place extra stress on your HVAC system. Common signs include weak airflow, inconsistent temperatures, unusual noises, or refrigerant leaks. That's why homeowners in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional evaporator coil replacement. Our experienced technicians carefully inspect your system to determine if the evaporator coil needs replacement. We safely remove the damaged coil and prepare your system for a high-quality replacement. Using professional installation techniques, we ensure the new coil is properly fitted and fully optimized for performance. We test the entire system to ensure proper airflow, cooling efficiency, and reliable operation. A properly functioning evaporator coil helps restore cooling power while improving energy efficiency. The result is dependable comfort during Pennsylvania's hottest months. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we provide honest recommendations, expert workmanship, and dependable HVAC solutions. Restore your comfort with professional evaporator coil replacement. What does an evaporator coil do in an AC system? The evaporator coil absorbs heat from indoor air, allowing the air conditioning system to cool the home efficiently. What are signs an evaporator coil needs replacement? Common signs include weak cooling, refrigerant leaks, frozen coils, warm air from vents, unusual noises, and higher energy bills. What causes evaporator coil failure? Causes include corrosion, refrigerant leaks, dirt buildup, poor maintenance, and normal wear over time. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.